Honestly, it was pure luck, so it could have happened to anybody.
Like most college baseball players, junior James Kohler spent his summer on the diamond. But before he left UE, he made an amazing discovery in the lab.
Very good student. He's been interested in microbiology since the beginning.
He had discovered a new bacterium on the greenhouse's resident cockroaches.
Anything that we get from the environment has the possibility of being a novel organism. And James is very scientifically curious.
James spent the beginning of his summer identifying the new species.
I was interested about whether or not they could maybe transfer these bacteria into our houses, into our food, stuff like that.
He found his drive excelling in multiple sports in high school with standout athletes like Doug McDermott and Harrison Barnes.
When you have a special group as we did, there's going to be a lot of tension on you, so you got to make sure you stay focused and not only take care of the things on the basketball floor as well as in the school.
So much so that he was offered a full ride at Stanford for football.
I actually went out to Stanford on a visit and had a couple days to spend with Jim Harbaugh. He was probably one of the coolest coaches I was able to meet. He was really energetic, you could tell he really loved his players, loved what he was doing.
But Kohler ultimately had his eyes set on grad school and chose UE baseball to help get him there.
You know, you got to do what you want to do. You got to be happy with what you're doing, and I couldn't see myself being happy being an offensive lineman for 5 years. And I mean, I've always loved baseball too since I was young, so that's kind of why I stuck with baseball over football. I have hopes and plans to attend medical school someday, so no Kohler in my history has ever been to med school. I've always been interested in helping people in biology, helping people kind of medical school seemed like the best fit.
For Inside Aces Athletics, Michael Armanno, Eyewitness News.